Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you are new here. My name is Megan, and I am your internet Stitch Witch. This week we are working with a free pattern from Learn Create Sew. I will be leaving a link down below for you to be able to download their free pattern in order to make your own stockings. I'm also going to be leaving a link down in the description for the font that I'm using. It is Dancing Christmas, and you can find it on Creative Fabrica. So I'm leaving a affiliate link down below for you to be able to purchase that, and I will receive a small amount in return that helps fund Madam Megan. Did you know that you can digitize your own embroidery files with a free program? Inkscape is a free software that you can install the InkStitch extension to make your own embroidery files and so much more. I'm not teaching how to make those files you see me making right now, but I will be teaching that soon if enough interest is voiced down in the comments section below. If you're ready to start digitizing today, you can check out Low Tech Linux here on YouTube. That is who I have learned from in the past. As always, when I'm not speaking, I love to share music that I have created using AI, so I'll be sharing a few of the Christmas songs on this video that I made using Rev AI. I have also created a new website with links to my portfolio and downloads. If you would like to buy me a copy, that is found in my Ko-fi account that is available through my downloads. I hope you enjoyed Yule's Winter Whisper. Up next is Winter's Dream. Sorry for the interlude of racing through the snow, but as I was finishing the embroidery for the last stocking, something happened and really knocked the timing off on my machine. So off to Rock and Bobbin in Rockwell, Texas, my machine went. I had to bring back my Eversone machine to finish up this project. Now, back to racing through the snow. I think Yule Tidings has to be one of my favorite songs from this playlist. Last but not least is Midnight at Yule. I really hope you enjoyed watching me create these stockings from the free pattern from Learn, Create, Sew. As always, the information on where to get the pattern is down below in the description. They have the tutorial on making them here on YouTube that is linked in the cards above. I hate that one of the stockings is missing this year, but as soon as I receive my machine back, that last one will be finished. I really enjoyed creating these, and I hope you might also enjoy making them too. I hope you have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and have a blessed Yule.